Should I go on? Should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Ah, that's Adele. What an instrument. She really has an unbelievable voice, and that's an unbelievable song. I imagine her trying to break into the music business and, just walking from one sidewalk to the next with either CDs or MP3 or whatever, and just trying to break into the business. And now she's a big star. Dynamite. But anyway, this is Radio Listener at radiolistenerselectriceasel.com. I've been adding music, singing, dancing. Reminds me of Billy Joel's song. But anyway, I'm taking my dad's advice. My dad's like, you're working very hard in this company, and it's not bringing anything in. You're just starting out, and whether it ever will or not, have some fun. And so I'm kicking back and having some fun. And to that end, we're going to be adding some art, some musicians, and stuff that the heart needs. Okay, anyway, we're wasting time here. Got to get to work. Hurry, hurry, hurry. uh, what we're going to do is we're in exercise 3, and this is the second video in exercise 3, and we're doing the notepad example. If you just found this video, it's actually something like the 12th or 13th video of the series, and what it is programming the Google phone known as the G1 by T-Mobile, and it runs on something called Android, and Android is gonna not only work on the G1 but on many other mobile phones. But this is conception, and Android was designed by Google. Okay, be that as it may, let's get to work and knock something out. Wasted 2.5 minutes. Gotta hurry, hurry, hurry. That's the meaning of life. I'm in New York. Quicker than a New York minute. Okay. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change this on. Nope. Well, I'm running a step ahead. Wait a second. Here we go. What are we going to do? We're going to put a call into populate fields. And we'll put it up here. And populate fields doesn't exist, so it's going to give us a little squiggly. Make it exist in a minute. Then we're going to get into this on click. Now this is really tricky code. Let me blow this up. And now, what you got here from the last video, we're taking the title and the body and we're retrieving it from a bundle, or no, putting it into a bundle and sending it back with the intent to the calling program. Now the calling program is going to change, and all database activity is going to be in done in this notedit class. So what we simply do, we're going to simplify this greatly, and that's it. Just on click, view. It's going to send back a result. Okay, you clicked, I got the result, and I'm going to finish. Okay, this over here has been stumping me. This parens, and I've been working on it. This is like third take of this video. I had other videos where I'm like looking at it. Where does it come from? Where it comes from is over here. This is the opening parentheses. What this is a new view on click listener. Okay, so we're making a listener for on click of the view. So if someone clicks on the view, they're a listener. Now, what it does right in the parameter of confirm button set on click listener. So we're sending a click on the confirm button. we are defining this view because if you look here, here's the parens, and then this squiggly bracket, and this on click and whatnot is defining this view on click listener. And this closing parens goes here. Pretty neat stuff. A little bit like Pearl Golf, but it works and it works well. I don't know if I would take the same approach for a tutorial though, because it's rather advanced and they don't particularly go into that aspect of it. And be that as it may, I'm new to Java, so maybe this is standard practice, but it seems like a little bit involved. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is define this populate fields thing. And what we do is here, did I put it in the wrong spot? I did something wrong. Let's see what the error is. Multiple markers at this line. Should I just keep chasing pavements? There we go. And this is like the third take of this. Populate fields will give you a squiggly under cursor. And I had already, see this box that comes up, Android cursor and whatnot, because it had the class. Here, I'll show you. Just if, where the heck is cursor? Android activity, let's span this. And cursor, let's delete it. See, these are all the import statements of different Android libraries. And if you go back, this is what you'll see when you first populate fields. And you just go here and here. And then the squiggly goes away and it, imports the cursor. It's just the Android cursor. Now, in this populate fields, they're going to fetch note. If row ID is not equal to null, we're going to fetch note by row ID, and we're going to start managing the cursor of note, and then it sets the title field and text field by database reads. And populate fields, if row ID is null, will have no action, and what it'll do is a new note will be created. And if you remember from those layouts, that's where that, @ sign and the plus. Okay, that finishes this video. We went through parts 4 through 6 of exercise 3. Be a couple more videos and then we'll see. And then have the big party. Maybe I'll get Claire on again to when I show it working, and we'll see what we got. And hopefully not before too long I'll actually get a G1. And I don't know quite how I'm going to shoot examples on the G1. I would probably have to use the video camera. But I'm putting the cart before the horse. I don't even have a G1 yet, so we'll take it as it goes. And okay, thanks for listening. And it's Radio Listener at RadioListenersElectricEasel.com Incorporated, and AKA I'm John Leone, and I'm a programmer from New York. And thanks for listening. Have a good one. Bye bye.